Good day, everyone. My name is Debs Felicidario from BSL English 2. Today, I'll be discussing the types and causes of health impairments, specifically focusing on physical disabilities and neurological conditions. Types and causes of health impairments, physical disabilities, and neurological condition. Epilepsy, asthma, cerebral palsy, spina bifida, muscular dystrophy, spinal cord injury. Epilepsy. It occurs when abnormal electrical discharge in the brain causes a disturbance of movement. It occurs in any stages of life but common to developing during childhood. What are the possible causes of epilepsy? So first, cerebral palsy, infection of the brain and or nervous system, metabolic disorder, high fever, interruption in blood supply of the brain, shaken baby syndrome. Conditions trigger seizures, fatigue, excitement, anger, hyperventilation, hormonal changes, withdrawal from alcohol or drugs, exposure to certain patterns of light, sounds, or touch. What are the kinds of seizure? General tonic-clonic or grand mal seizure. It is most common wherein the muscles become stiff. Second is absence seizure or petit mal. It is less severe but occurs more frequently. Complex partial seizure. Psychomotor seizure, it is a brief period of inappropriate or purposeless activity. Simple partial seizure, it involves a sudden jerky motion while consciousness is retained. Asthma, it is a chronic lung disease. During asthma attack, the airways of lungs narrow and resistance in the airflow in and out of the lung increases. Causes of asthma, allergens, irritants, emotional stress, and wheezing, coughing, and difficulty breathing. Cerebral palsy. It is a disorder of movement and posture. It is a permanent condition that results from having lesion in the brain of abnormality in brain growth. Next. Epilepsy. What is the causes of having a cerebral palsy? Disease, the effects of developing brain. What is the symptoms of cerebral palsy? Disturbance in the voluntary motor functions such as paralysis, extreme weakness, lack of coordination, involuntary convulsions, and other motor disorder. Types of cerebral palsy: monoplegia, hemiplegia, diplegia, quadriplegia, double hemiplegia. So this is the pictures of the types of cerebral palsy. Next. Spina bifida. It is the most common neural tube defect which refers to congenital malformation of the brain, spinal cord, and vertebrae. Next. Muscular dystrophy. It is a group of inherited disease marked by progressive atrophy of or wasting away of body muscles. Most common is Duchenne muscular dystrophy. What are the symptoms? First, muscular weakness, difficulty in running and climbing stairs, walking in unusual gait, protruding stomach and hollow back, having calf muscles that appear unusually large because of fatty tissues. Next, spinal cord injury. They are usually caused by lesion due to penetrating injury stretching of the vertebral column. Next. So that's the end of my report. I hope you enjoy and learn something today.